Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV up here.
Call my phone and when we start, and tell me if we're done. I got disrespect on the blood clot. So I don't call my phone and text my phone and tell me if the blood clot done. When you don't text and call my phone and tell me say, give girl a chance because girl never say no. Remember my blood clot tell you no. Alright. So no, if I me like uno, take on the win now and post the 12 pictures, the 12 pictures they want to say I have. Post them every day, post them 10 times. Okay. I'm not talk my last word. So don't sit down and worry about it. Come done have ducks them in line already. I'm gonna know the whole the blood clot, Judas and hypocrites them. Entire exit map in back so. In back with maps, brooms. Daughters, all dirty Oniel now, right? Me ain't a friend like that Oniel. Me ain't not associate. That's why I'm telling no book on tour. That's why I'm telling no book on a tour. Oniel, I wasn't there when you molested the two little boys them. I know I wasn't there, so don't come for me. And I me put you in a paper and everything. And I mean, I can't run away from Jamaica, go to Panama, go live for how long. It's not me, I'm coming out to them things, I'm in a trouble pitney. And you talk out of your mouth, say me in a coma, I hear you say it over and over, because I don't love to come from the media and trouble girl. And then, only the can't class me, because I don't know you. I don't know you, Oniel. I've never met you in my life. You're down in New York, I will never see you in my life. But too bad I see Emily a party. And then you have one ugly one. And you don't have the audacity to call girl okay. Blackjack ugly. And girls like Blackjack them, they have them 25,000 for suck a boy hood. Just to suck a boy hood, they have them 25,000 because man stomach is strong. Man stomach is strong for fuck Blackjack because Blackjack wants somebody to take a hammer and lick in her blood clot forehead. And to them damn murder daughters cause all you see them are going at my bad girl now. I told them no say them have the police to them defense. But to me no say me not got prison for them a blood clot them. So police will have and who have the strongest evidence. And who have the strongest blood clot case. Only them know say them are thief. All only them the check business too, you know. And you know say no hands them dirty. And one can be a problem. No, say it come like when two drugs lord have a turf. And one have to get rid of one because if one get rid of one, only you don't play no games because this is not a good time. Don't come try and get a piece of the pie. Because you can't share. Love Blandy and so good Conry living at the attic. Daughters, what you can know? Hold on the daughters. Yeah, Tamara. Hold on the daughters. Then Conry she lose a piece of paper. I want a piece of paper Conry have and travel to Jamaica 2 times. That time I'm giving you the history. Our mother dead. I think our mother dead first or our father dead. We don't know which one of them dead first. But the way oh God beat her. The mother dead must say 1 month and then the father dead. The mother dead took 3 weeks or 2 weeks and then the father dead right. I don't know how I go my love. She go down there, she get the pass, she go down there. And she buried she claimed to say she buried the mother. And as she buried the mother, a collection. She put a part of the money and the other siblings them put some money too. Because she going to have it and she don't have it like that. It's a broke girl. It's a broke girl Alan the whole hard time and she scammed the government of Alan. She scammed the government of Alan. So you will never get citizenship. Daughters, you see the MP from Marvally at the MP put money towards dirty Conry mother and father funeral. Conry I don't want to talk them things here, but you have to go down and you're outer than a blood clot. Go shake the MP hand because of the MP from Marvally make up and put money towards the mother blood clot funeral. Come and say one big yard your mother living there. With one whole blood clot family member. When you go down there, you can't even rent an Airbnb. My granny house big the one blood clot house top. My granny house big on a hilltop. But me this is Fambo company live. My granny house big on a hilltop. I will not talk, on the talk on the know. Can nobody not count you. You want dead dog like a Marvel. The whole of Marvel. I don't want to talk some things in the data. I'm going to talk certain things for my life now. I say, Conry, you feel glad so I'm going to talk blood clot certain things. You think you can bring me blood clot down drunk, bro? You think you can bring down blood clot me? I just want to talk certain things. I'm not going to make sure you change my blood clot stance because you want nobody. You want loser. You lose. Everywhere you turn, you lose. You don't make no sense. You don't make no sense. All you do is talk fuckery. Cause you look like a junk every time I don't know what you say. I wonder if you look back, I wonder if something you look back and see what you say. You must sit down and blood clot in this fear. Because you must can't understand. Oh, me not to talk to the boy and you still are mad. That's what when the boy did the phone attack and in an argument and in a dealings. Eh? How are we even mates? Daughters, though when you're somebody a mate, daughters, do you and them take the man same time? And you and them in a dealings with the man same time? So how may you mate? Are you supposed to win? Are you have the boy birth paper? Are you have him passport? Are you have him this, are you have him that? And you still get headache by me. And you not get a regular blood clot headache, you get a severe blood clot headache. Yeah. And me and the boy not there. Me and the boy not in nothing at all. And you still bothered by me. Eh? You not make no sense. Why you never post a picture of yourself and click a level and show the picture of yourself? I'm not, I say wait now. Wait, because you're in the attic. The summer coming, the summer come, although Holland cold the whole blood clot here. So you will just be alright. I hope one squirrel catch you up there and bite you in your neck. How about me? How about you? You'll never be a blood clot citizen. Because you scam the Dutch government. And the Dutch government just scam. So you can't trick the blood clot people them. You can't trick me. Jav, what you say? Jav go live and send a request. I want to open my box. I'm not supposed to call your name really in my mouth, you know. Because I don't know your Oniel. First, the only thing I see are documents. So you play with two little boys. And the two little boys are missing and then find them body. And them say, are you tamper with them body? I don't know you, darling. I don't know you. Some of them, all of them dirty people that women don't know I call up my name. And you call my name and say me in a coma. Why you wish me if you in a coma for? Eh? I say me, you did join with the boy with the radio show. And I love to talk about who have AIDS and who have this. And when the whole of you know so now walking blood clot sepulchre. The whole of you know so now having a spot. The whole of you know so now having a blood clot spot in the morgue, waiting for go to the blood clot cemetery.
Hello?
You hear me here now?
Put it here to the blood clot. I'm TikTok, I'm talk, I'm alive, black.
Yeah, talk, my son, talk.
First of all, big pussy Oniel keep on running off the mouth and chat. Oniel is the hungriest Batman in America. Pussy is not better than all you better. Batman, let me get into it right now. Pussy. You are the only Batman I'm see you put on them blood clot mother. For man fucking here, but the instruction that they for you pussy. Instead of you look good, everybody around you do it good. You're the only person that do it. You look a crap, you have a look a dog shit. First of all, you owe IRS money and you put my blood clot name, you put my bumper clot address for it and my mother address for it. My mother give them your blood clot 15,000 odd. And you owe American Express money, you owe Bank of America much money and the people them are send on credit collection and the
Yeah, because job because what she do, she'll put the bad check, she'll put the check them in the account and the check them will come back. The check them will come back so she owe the bank.
She got use Nicholas them because Nicholas have information.
Watch when and them you see, I tell your sister, and if you get evil with them now, you know, you got ear on my blood clot wicked, you know. Hold on now, if you get evil with them now, hold on now, sister, you got ear on my blood clot wicked, and I'm gonna want get them, go down the road with them, you see. Them don't like me for sure, I'm not even no dirty blood clot Oniel. Because we know so them put the check them in them account, I went and them put the check them in the account, the money come back, girl.
Fake credit score, fake bank statement, fake significant gas, blood clot wicked. Every document that he used to get into that apartment at 3435 Wilson Avenue. Wilson Avenue. On the ground floor, live on the ground floor, GA 3435 Wilson Avenue on the ground floor. Every document that she used to get that apartment is fake documents. Because then I went Nicholas them to pay the woman $250 for me to make false document for bring going on the leasing place to get the place. But so the people are dumb and done, they don't look through the documents to say documents and pay.
No, but them now go check it out because them now go look and check it out, but them can still put her out. Cause we can bring it to them attention.
Yeah,
we can bring it to them attention. Yeah, and we can bring.
First of all, our mother, Macy, as I live in God, but I have to love top of Batman and here and this and that, and only that the nigga with syphilis, only sick, only I don't tell like him take crap. First of all, I never see you go to a doctor yet, and the doctor tell me say, Mr. Pickers, this nigga is HIV negative or HIV positive. Every time I go to a doctor, you're high. Every time you come back from a doctor, you take up, you always have to go, oh, me like throw back because we need my empty back. When I send it to my mother said, Batman back in the race, it was to take out them 8 pill buckle and throw it in a different buckle and throw it in a vitamin buckle and take, go suck your mother pussy. You don't want to stick and pussy, you put out your mother. So the boy, the tattoo boy, that I'm fucking in your mouth and fucking in your big stinking shit hole.
Job, look at the job. See if you can come in the box now. Come for the next page.
You can't try to come in the box, this. Yeah, man, try.
No, use the next, try with the 2 page them.
Yeah, try with the next, yeah, the next page.
Yeah.
We can do that. Yeah, hold on.
Mighty God.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, Fambo.
Alright, go on.
If you get to technical dirty Oniel, and my ears now, when she said me in a coma, and she said, come up on the level, my listener, and she keep on and repeat it like she want egg on the comment section for talk about it, right? So if me come back and me say me ear, you say me in a coma, what is the blood clot problem?
No problem, shouldn't. But the video they all about to circulate.
I don't know this ballad bitch. This girl will feel ball off her blood clot head because the whole head stop a pick out. I don't know blood clot something there. Stress a killer. And then you know she go see job. Whatever no love say, you know, say she worse anytime now soon. You go see she start get sick.
What's that? Macy. I say, Dr. Conry should come finish. Here Conry now. Conry say, oh, our couch, our settee was having our house can full up the whole of my house.
And she can't show it. She cannot show it.
But I saw a video clip where Conry said she has show. I don't know for somebody living room because Conry house where she living in now is an attic in an island and stuff. Where attic was shaped like one triangle. So I don't know where she go on a short one 2-seater brown leather couch with chip up and some brown old time matidated furniture when nobody now use them there. More than some white people in still with them local rigmaroles or something there. I don't know can just go sit down.
But we don't know what is the problem. I mean, me know what is in problem because him in love with the boy, the same boy where she say between him leg got wrapped out, right? The same boy where she say eat her ass with him sore tongue, right? and she in love with the boy, and she just cannot get over it. Me don't know how she's so obsessed with me when it comes to the boy. Cause it come like she's a type of old man, but every opportunity she get, she call my name, run the boy, forget something bad for say. What she don't understand say, why out of all of the man in Jamaica, you don't want to look for one boy with sore for mine. She now make no blood clot sense. Is it that you're desperate? Are you sailing at the same blood clot boat with the boy in her?
Desperation and insecurities. And then through she done span top of it took her she there Alan for 16 years. You then a one country, Macy. And you tell me say you know
Hi, sister.
integrate?
Yeah.
Sister, I am
I'm not
from
going to
Syria. I need the help.
I'm not work about sister, your blood clot look Muslim to you. Yeah.
You tell me say 16 years you live in a one country, a first world country that speak Dutch. And you know go school, them get free education, me say it's not like America where you pay a student loan or you pay for go to school and tongue. Alan, Germany, Switzerland, Belgium, may not even go touch a Scandinavian country them like Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland and them country up now. May not touch them country there. May I talk about the country them where them down north and the west. And so, and Conry no learn a language for even come out for come throw one certificate me love, but you want class blood clot me we got Germany integrate within 3 blood clot here and work for the city. Conry, may I tell you say bitch. Me not even want to call her one the name. But bitch, my also me come and left from a blood clot Germany. Dog shit. Me I tell her say, them something the way you have in your house a fuck with thing, you need to go put them back outside because look like you they take them up from outside. Cause them me not keep them there in a no blood clot house cause modern days now. Not only that dirty Conway. Not only fucking that you come and go on and think 16 years and you know obtain a citizenship. You citizenship giving a Alan 5 blood clot years. So what were you doing in all your 16 years in the Netherlands? What the fuck?
No, this is why she did do that. This is why she not gonna get no citizenship like myself, yeah?
What were
Cause she
you
scammed the
doing?
government. She scammed the government. And her name red she have her name no good. She scammed the government. A piece of paper the girl travel with God Jamaica, not a
Them me not
passport.
tell us I want pink paper should travel with and the paper we should travel with it's not even called a umbefestigung. A umbefestigung is a paper that is when you do 5 year when you do 5 year and you into when you do 5 year in a country like European country and you integrate, you get a umbefestigung where you can travel back to your home country. Can we not even have that paper? The paper where the bitch have is a paper where our mother and our father they did blood clot what and it give her access to blood clot travel. So she feel like say she a blood clot del can come from blood clot foreign. But bitch, as I tell you already, I catch up here though. And yesterday I come out and tell a bitch say $900 to get from the old caring over there. But bitch, you do not want to get it technical with me because me gonna get the old caring number and me gonna tell the old caring say you're human traffic, use a human trafficker, use a blood clot pedophile, and not only fucking that use a blood clot sex worker, bitch, and bitch we can make it come right blood clot down. So me and you know say any Jamaica you're not going to blood clot Jamaica can we use just talking but he's a very talkative Batman. You know do no action can we? Can you come out and kill up yourself but oh you're bad. Can we what do you classify as bad?
Long
What do
trick
you
pam.
classify as bad? I must say your blood clot, blood where bad it your blood clot about. Come I don't know where you classify as bad, can we? Can we you need to go take 10 step blood clot but go sit down. I catch up your blood clot though.
That time we're gonna force subscription. I feel bad, say. Cause them post me one. I say them some ignorant or the so-called blood clot girl screenshot. But me not about mad about it a blood clot cause I know a storyline them a look. Yeah. I know a storyline them a blood clot look, darling. Because at the end of the day, Conry, Oniel, Blondie, everybody blood clot to mix up in a one. None of them don't make no blood clot sense, really. Because come on now, Blondie she did take Shannon man, turn him in Shannon girlfriend, and turn him in a man. And you're such a fabulous, beautiful girl according to you. And you take a next girl, woman, and turn them in a year, man. Huh? This not add up. So you try to tell me say your beauty failure. Your beauty failure, girl. And then Kanisha, she know. The only time Kanisha can talk to about me I when she drunk. Because she know, you know say you're a mascot straight through the blood clot ear. And you know make no sense. Your conversations them not connecting. Because there's no way, form or shape, me could have known so me have one boy lack. I mean, me have the boy have to come up with me in a blood clot and sit beside me. Come with your man, you know. Dirty can remember say he's a man. And no wig. Would look good for blood clot. You couldn't rock a wig. No dirty batty one who can't rock a wig couldn't talk to me. I want to size up with blood clot me. That means say you're intimidated by me. So you look like you don't want me to exist. So the only way I can get some blood clot confidence when it comes to you and that boy is if I'm not existing. But bitch, sit and relax. Because guess what? Having a glory moments now. Because when my blood clot reveal, and I forgot to take back on the blood clot chat. And I'm not going to take it back because I'm not ashamed. So if the people don't want to send blinding money for lies, for distorted photographs, you see a distorted photograph, what I mean, I'm me. So people will send money because it's me. And then now, Oniel, you're trying to come for me. Oniel, you are, without a shadow of a doubt, a molester. A child molester. That is the truth. And you know you are. You know you are. Me never trouble nobody picking and running from a community. Me never trouble nobody picking. When I have to run it, I only remember the documents is there. The proof is there. Don't do it on it. And don't make me have a character come and put on a green screen and show you up on TikTok. I must say them already showed you up on Instagram, you know. What people like you're not supposed to have on the media talk. You know, you saw them band your friend from the media, and him can't come on the media, the one that have a radio, claim to say have a radio station. I don't know what is the problem though. And every day on the show, so I'm jealous, and I'm big mad. And guess what, honeys? I'm gonna be here just the same. I'm gonna be fabulous just the same. And you can't take it from me a blood clot, and you can't tamper with my beauty. And you can't blood clot diminish my confidence. So you have to gang up and join up 6 or 7 or 100 million or still blood clot lacking. Because you don't have no self blood clot worth. And it cannot be purchased. It cannot be purchased. So right there, all of you bitches are losers.